Hello everyone, my name is Jennifer and welcome to Best Kept Plans. Today's video is going to be a plan with me for the week of September 1st through the 7th, 2025 using my A5 notebook from Archer and Olive. If you're interested in seeing that, please stick around. Here we are in my A5 notebook from Archer and Olive. I'm going to be going with a vertical layout over 4 pages for this week's spread. We are starting off with this stencil from the Crafter's Workshop. I'll also be using this Lover's quote sheet, this Speak Now quote sheet, this Travel quote sheet, these number stickers, Days of the Week stickers, month stickers, and this holiday sticker sheet, all from According to Allie. I'm going to be using 4 different distressed oxides for this spread and these 3 different washi tapes. My September 2025 Plan With Me has not posted yet, but it will be posting soon, and you will see that I decided on a monthly theme of stencils for September. I used stickers in all of my spreads last month, and so I wanted to get back into using distressed oxides, and having a stencil theme for the month seemed like a great way to do that. And so I'm using this stencil from the Crafter's Workshop along the left column on the leftmost page of this spread to fulfill that monthly theme. I decided to go with a bit of like a gradient or ombre from red at the top of the page to a light pink at the bottom. And so I did section this area off into 4 sections so that I would know where I need to transition these different colors. I've actually used this type of gradient in a spread before, but not with this stencil. And the reason I wanted to lean into pinks for this week's spread is because I'm actually going to be in a wedding this week. Our bridesmaid dresses are pink. They're a little bit more of like a rose mauve color, but I thought that doing this pink gradient was a great idea in order to have my spread kind of correlate with the fact that I'm in that wedding. Now that we've done the deco along the leftmost area of the spread, I'm on pages 3 and 4, and in the bottom right corner of the 4th page, I decided to add in a little bit more of this stencil because I want to create a bit of a deco cluster in this area. And I decided to go in with the lighter 2 pink shades to do the stencil work in this area because I didn't want the darker pink or the red to compete at all with the quote sticker that I was using, because I knew that the quote was going to be finely lettered and I didn't want it to be difficult to see. I'm now going to pull up all of the washi tape that I was using to indicate where I'm putting down my stencil, and then I'm moving on to using all of the stickers that we're incorporating into this spread. One thing that I will say about using stencils or stamps is that it can be very time consuming, and so I decided for this spread, a way for me to not have this take a really long time would be to try and incorporate stickers instead of stamps to see if that made the planning process move a little bit more quickly, and I will say that it absolutely did. As you can see, I made a little bit of an error here. After I put down the dates and days of the week for Thursday through Sunday, I went and did Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, but didn't realize that I did not have my camera on, so I apologize for that. But now that we have all of the dates and days of the week added into this spread, I'm in the bottom left corner here putting down the monthly sticker as well as a quote sticker from the travel sticker sheet since the wedding that I'm going to is out of state. And then I decided that I wanted to add in a few little pieces of washi tape. I've done this before in the past, usually in my reading journal where I have stamps or stencils and then add in washi on top, and I really do like the way that it looks. My reasoning for using it in this spread was because I knew that I wanted to add in a couple of additional stickers in areas where there wasn't going to be any of the stencil, and I still wanted it to look as if there was like deco or a completeness to those areas. And so as you can see, I'm using the washi as a little bit of a background for the Labor Day sticker, the vacation sticker, and some quote stickers. Now that we have all of the stickers down, I'm going in with my Micron in 08 to separate all of my columns. I debated putting one between the deco and Monday, but ended up deciding that it was a good idea. And that is going to be it for this week's spread. I really, really like the way that this came out. It made me feel very creative, very inspired, and that's always an exciting feeling. I like the way on the second page, which we're going to flip to now, I put together that stenciled area in the bottom right corner with the quote kind of hanging off of it, but also a little bit of washi tape to add to the deco. And I think this is going to be a really functional spread for me this week, which is great, but I also think that the deco kind of really makes sense for the wedding I'm in, and the quotes make sense and all of that fun stuff. I hope you enjoyed this plan with me, and as always, everyone, please be safe. Bye-bye.